My name is Shanka. I'm studying in 7th grade in Cambridge Public School. Today I have come for police station and to interview Madam. Come please.
ಏನು interview? Hi. My good name is Sumaran.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please tell me about your work?
Yes, of course. Please have a seat. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲು?
I'm in Cambridge Public School. I'm studying in 7th grade.
7th grade. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ? ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್?
Ma'am, can you please tell me about your work?
Yes, of course. I am a police officer. I work as an SHO in this police station. It's been 19 years of my service as a police officer. So my work starts in the morning and it does not end. It continues. ಯಾವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನಾವು KR ಟೌನ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ದು SHO ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಮಗೆ 125 ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓವರಾಲ್ 125 ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟೌನ್. ಐ ಡೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಲಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕೂಲು, ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಿಂಗು, ಮತ್ತು ವುಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಬಂದರೆ, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಡೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್.
Ma'am, you know how difficult you are that?
Yes, I know. It's very difficult, my work. I need to balance everything. I have to be very patient and have to deal with all my problems.
Ma'am, can you show your office?
Yeah, please, of course. This is the room where our ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ always this is writer room. Okay. And these are all the chairs where all our this is the room where my sub-inspector is sitting, but right now there is no sub-inspector investigation, so I handle both the issues. Come. This is the room where all our assistants are sitting. This madam all interview ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ. She is handling police IT, okay, computer department. And go and introduce yourself to all the police officers who are here.